I'm not even surprised anymore. I'm not gonna even act like I'm freaking super surprised, like, oh my gosh, because it's not even a surprise anymore. Should have already beaten the stupid idiot level. Shut the darn up, like, oh my gosh. I had a dream that you would shut the darn up. Oh my gosh, shut the darn up. Oh my gosh, so annoying, bro. I hate people who don't shut the darn up. So annoying. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Whatever floats your boat. I don't care. I just want. If you can't, I don't want to play this anymore. I just don't want to play this. I don't care why you do this. Yeah. Whatever. Frick you. I don't care. I just don't want to play it anymore. I don't care if I walk into it. How long did that take? Oh. Okay. That's like nothing. It felt like 700. I swear. It's not even a demon.